Have you ever wondered how you can turn your creativity into cash? With Canva, it's easier than you think. Today, I'm going to show you how this simple yet powerful design tool can help you make real money. Whether you're looking for a side hustle or aiming to build a full-time income, I've got amazing ways to leverage Canva that don't require any design experience. From creating digital products to offering design services, you'll see how little creativity and Canva's features can transform into consistent earnings. So, if you're ready to learn how to make money with Canva, let's dive right in. Have you ever wondered how you can make $350 to $500 every day just by using Canva? It's totally possible, and the best part is, you don't need any graphic design skills to do it. Canva is an incredibly powerful tool that allows anyone to create professional-looking designs with just a few clicks, and today, I'll show you how to leverage it in a smart way to start earning money consistently. First off, let's talk about what makes Canva so special. Canva provides thousands of templates for things like social media posts, presentations, flyers, and more. This means most of the hard work is already done for you. You simply need to select a template, customize it with some text or images, and you're good to go. But how do we turn this into money? That's where the strategy comes in. One of the most effective ways is to focus on creating digital products or services that businesses or individuals are willing to pay for. One idea is creating Pinterest pins for bloggers and entrepreneurs. They are always looking for eye-catching designs to drive traffic to their content. By using Canva, you can quickly design multiple pin templates and offer them as a service or a product bundle on platforms like Etsy or Fiverr. Let's say you decide to sell digital products on Etsy. You can create sets of Pinterest templates and list them as digital downloads. You don't have to worry about shipping or inventory, and since you're selling templates, once you've created them, you can sell them over and over again. It's basically passive income after the initial setup. Now, here's where the copy-paste strategy kicks in. You don't have to reinvent the wheel. Use Canva's pre-made templates, make a few minor tweaks like changing colors or fonts to match popular trends or your client's branding, and you have a professional-looking design ready in no time. It's literally copying, pasting, and editing with minimal effort. You can repeat this process for all sorts of digital products, social media graphics, LED magnets, or ebook covers. The options are endless. Another approach is offering your design services to small businesses, content creators, or influencers. Many people don't have the time or design skills to make their content visually appealing, but they're willing to pay someone who can. Whether it's designing Instagram posts, YouTube thumbnails, or Facebook ads, you can offer your services at a premium. Canva's drag and drop features make it super easy to create polished designs fast, allowing you to take on more clients and scale your business quickly. There's also an opportunity to make money by teaching others how to use Canva. If you become proficient at using Canva, you can create tutorials or even courses showing others how they can leverage the platform to make money themselves. This can be sold on platforms like Udemy or even your own website. Remember, knowledge is a product that people are willing to pay for, especially if it can help them improve their own lives or businesses. Canva has become an essential tool for anyone looking to make money online, whether you're a designer or someone who's never designed anything before. With Canva, you don't need any formal design training to create professional-looking graphics, and there are so many ways to turn those graphics into income. One of the most popular options is selling custom templates. Businesses, bloggers, and content creators are constantly in need of new, engaging visuals, but not everyone has the time or skills to make them from scratch. That's where you come in. By using Canva's templates as a starting point, you can create a whole range of designs, social media posts, YouTube thumbnails, or even presentations. The trick is to customize these templates to fit specific niches or styles, then sell them on platforms like Etsy or Creative Market. These templates can be resold as digital products, meaning you can create them once and earn from them repeatedly. Another great idea is offering social media management services. Small businesses and entrepreneurs often struggle to maintain a consistent presence on social platforms like Instagram, Facebook, and Pinterest. They need engaging, high-quality posts to connect with their audience. By using Canva, you can easily create a month's worth of branded content in just a few hours. Offer your services as a social media manager or even just as a content creator for specific platforms, charging clients on a per project or monthly retainer basis. Designing logos for small businesses is another lucrative avenue. Canva offers plenty of customizable logo templates, so even if you're not a skilled designer, you can still provide a professional service. Many startups and small businesses don't have the budget for a high-end design agency but still want a polished logo that represents their brand. You can offer affordable, quick turnaround logos that look great and are easy to customize further if needed. Let's talk about digital planners and journals. The trend of selling digital products like planners, journals, and workbooks has exploded in recent years. Canva makes it easy to create these kinds of products with pre-made templates that you can tweak for different themes or styles. Once you have a few different designs, you can sell them on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or even your own website. Since they are digital, there's no shipping involved, and you can sell them to multiple customers without any additional work after the initial setup. Freelancing as a graphic designer is a classic way to make money with Canva. Whether you want to create marketing materials like brochures, business cards, or flyers, there's always demand for quality design work. You can advertise your services on freelance platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, or Freelancer. Since Canva is so easy to use, you'll be able to create stunning designs quickly, allowing you to take on more clients and increase your earnings. Creating print-on-demand products is another excellent method. By designing unique graphics, illustrations, or even quotes in Canva, you can upload these designs to print-on-demand platforms like Redbubble, Printful, or Teespring. They'll print your designs on products like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and sell them to customers. You earn a commission for each sale without worrying about inventory or shipping. If you love teaching, you can monetize your Canva skills by creating online courses. Many people want to learn how to use Canva for their own projects or businesses, and if you've mastered it, you can teach them. Platforms like Udemy, Teachable, and Skillshare allow you to host your courses and reach a global audience. You can focus on specific aspects like creating Instagram graphics, designing ebooks, or even mastering branding design in Canva. Once you've created your course, it becomes another source of passive income. Another way to monetize Canva is by starting a YouTube channel or blog that teaches Canva tutorials. You can share your Canva expertise with others while making money through ad revenue, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Whether it's quick tips or full design tutorials, the demand for Canva content is growing, and it's a great way to build an audience while earning. Next up is selling pre-made business branding kits. Canva allows you to create entire branding kits, including logos, social media templates, and business cards. Many new business owners don't know where to start with branding and are willing to pay for a cohesive package that gets them up and running quickly. By selling these kits, you're offering a convenient, all-in-one solution that saves business owners time and effort. Collaborating with influencers or small brands is another profitable idea. You can create branded content like Instagram stories, YouTube thumbnails, or even merchandise designs for influencers looking to expand their reach. Canva makes it simple to design on brand visuals that match their style, allowing you to charge for custom designs or even offer ongoing content creation services. Offering lead magnet design services to online marketers is another option. Lead magnets, such as ebooks, checklists, and workbooks, are essential for businesses looking to grow their email lists. By offering to create these in Canva, you're helping marketers generate leads and build their audiences. Since Canva has templates for all of these, you can quickly turn around high-quality, professional lead magnets that your clients will love. There's also the option to create ebook covers. Self-publishing authors are always in need of eye-catching covers that help sell their books. With Canva, you can easily create striking designs that stand out on platforms like Amazon Kindle or Apple Books. You can charge a one-time fee per cover or create pre-made designs that authors can purchase and customize themselves. Creating video thumbnails for YouTubers is another high-demand service. Thumbnails are one of the most critical factors for video click-through rates. With Canva's easy-to-use templates, you can offer custom thumbnail creation to YouTubers who don't have the time or skills to create them themselves. You can also design event invitations and sell them. Whether it's weddings, birthday parties, or corporate events, people love unique, personalized invitations. With Canva's invitation templates, you can create beautiful designs in no time and sell them on platforms like Etsy or as a custom service to event planners. Offering newsletter design services is another profitable idea. Many businesses and bloggers use newsletters to communicate with their audience but struggle with creating visually appealing layouts. Canva's email templates make it easy to design eye-catching newsletters that align with your client's brand. You can offer this as a service, charging per newsletter or on a monthly basis. Creating Instagram highlight covers is another service that many influencers and businesses are willing to pay for. These covers help organize and brand Instagram profiles, making them look more professional and cohesive. Canva has several pre-made options, but with a few simple tweaks, you can create custom covers that match the client's aesthetic. If you enjoy creating physical products, you can offer custom t-shirt design services. By using Canva to design unique t-shirt graphics, you can work with print-on-demand companies or sell your designs to clothing brands. Another idea is to offer branded presentation design. Many businesses, coaches, and educators need professional presentations for meetings, webinars, and courses. Canva's presentation templates allow you to create stunning, branded presentations that help businesses communicate their messages effectively. Last but not least, you can create custom infographics. Infographics are a powerful way to present data and information visually, and many marketers, bloggers, and educators are willing to pay for this service. Canva makes it easy to design infographics, even if you're not a pro at data visualization. With so many ways to use Canva to make money, the possibilities are endless. Whether you're selling digital products, offering services, or creating custom designs, Canva provides all the tools you need to build a profitable online business. The key here is to maximize the tools Canva offers and pair them with income-generating opportunities. Whether it's through digital products, offering services, or teaching, Canva can be the foundation for a profitable online business. There you have it, powerful ways you can start making money with Canva right now. Whether you're selling templates, offering social media design services, or creating print-on-demand products, Canva opens up so many possibilities to turn your ideas into income. The best part is, once you get the hang of it, you can scale these methods and create passive income streams. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips on building your online income. Let me know in the comments which idea you're most excited to try, and as always, thanks for watching.